Hi, I'm Tony Fonzini. This is Jake Miller. That's Aziz, and this is Faifan. And we are Team Crumbler Tech. We'll be doing a IR temperature sensor array for the company called Forest Concepts out of Auburn, Washington. Thanks, and welcome to our presentation.
Forest Concepts has developed a pretty unique way to grind up biomass other than traditional methods, and they approached us with the task of finding the temperature of the surface of these two rotating drums that grind up their biomass.
So we came up with 12 sensors that read the temperature on the tooth.
These 12 sensors, as Jake mentioned, are going to be IR. The reason we went with 12 is we wanted to have a decent amount of surface area coverage of the drums. As you can see here, we have just a little SolidWorks SketchUp of what one of the teeth looks like, one of the crumbler heads look like. And our sensors will just be embedded against the steel walls that are each an inch thick, and they'll just be into those walls pointing towards the drums, catching the temperature at a 1-to-1 spot ratio coming off the IR's surface.
The reason we went with infrared sensors is due to the fact that they're non-contact and they had to be robust, and we figured that the best way to make sure that our sensors were going to last was them not being in contact with the product as it's moving through.
So the reason of our sensor is make them product to be not in danger.
And we use Arduino to control 12 sensors and use LabVIEW to record the data.
To mount the sensors to the crumbler heads, we went with a 3D printed ABS filament due to the fact that it's very durable and is not in danger of getting hot enough to melt. To fasten the housings to the crumbler, we have used magnets to ensure that any fittings or fasteners will not come loose over time.
A part of the validation of our IR sensors was to make sure that the emissivity was adjusted correctly for the material we were recording the temperature of.
So in this project, we learned how to use laser cutter in our shop, and we learned also how to use LabVIEW.